Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix the boot configuration data file is missing with error code. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer, click Troubleshoot. First check your BIOS type is MBR or GPT. Type list disk. Star under GPT indicates the BIOS type is GPT. Find your system partition. Select your system partition. Assign drive letter to system partition. Run multiple commands one by one. Type attrib space, assigned letter colan /EFI /Microsoft /boot /BCD space, -H space, -R space, -S. Type ren space, assigned letter colan /EFI /Microsoft /boot /BCD space, BCD22.old. Type bootrec space, /rebuild BCD. Type BCD boot space, Windows installed drive colan /Windows space, /S space, assigned letter colan space, /F space, all. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer, click Troubleshoot. First check your BIOS type is MBR or GPT. No star under GPT indicates the system partition type is MBR. Type BCD edit. Find your boot drive and Windows installed drive. Run multiple commands one by one. /boot/bcd-h-r-s. ren c:/boot/bcd bcd23.old. /bootrex space/rebuild bcd. bcd boot space, Windows installed drive colan /Windows space, /s space, Windows boot drive colan space, /f space, all. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.